In this video, I will be showing you how to use Chatgpt Incognito mode. Let's get started. I'll start by opening a new browser tab. I'll move my cursor up to the address bar at the top of the window, click inside it, and type Chatgpt. After hitting enter, the Google search results page loads up. I'll move my cursor down and click on the main Chatgpt link to open the website. Now that the interface has loaded, I'll move my cursor over to the left sidebar and click on the More option. From the expanded menu, I'll select the toggle button next to Turn on Temporary Chat. This action changes the center area to display Temporary Chat. I can see a clear message indicating that this chat won't appear in my history, and it won't be used to train the models. Next, I'll click inside the input field at the bottom that says Ask Anything. I'll paste a pre-written prompt detailing a plan for a 3-day trip to Baguio with a budget of 10,000 pesos, including recommendations for tourist spots, estimated costs, food options, and a suggested schedule. Once the text is ready, I'll click the upward arrow on the right to send the message. I'll watch as the interface processes my request and quickly starts generating a comprehensive response. The AI creates a 3-day Baguio itinerary, complete with an estimated budget breakdown table detailing expenses like a round-trip bus, accommodation, local transportation, food, entrance fees, and souvenirs. It calculates a total of 8,000 pesos, leaving a 1,200 pesos buffer. As the response continues to populate, I'll scroll down slowly to review the detailed plan. The script covers a complete breakdown for Day 1 Explore Central Baguio, detailing morning visits to Burnham Park, an 11:15 a.m. visit to the Baguio Cathedral, lunch recommendations at Good Taste Cafe and Restaurant, an afternoon walk along Session Road, followed by a visit to SM City Baguio, a street food dinner, and transportation options like jeepneys or taxis. I'll keep scrolling to check Day 2 Parks, Museums and Views, which outlines breakfast, morning stops at the Mansion, Wright Park, and Mines View Park, along with options for horseback riding or souvenir shopping, a local cafe lunch, an afternoon visit to the Baguio Botanical Garden and Baguio Museum, and an evening at the Baguio Night Market. Continuing further down, I can see Day 3 Nature and Local Products, highlighting a morning at Camp John Hay, a midday visit to the Baguio Public Market for local goods, lunch, and steps to take before departure. Finally, the AI provides a transportation summary, affordable food recommendations, a sample daily schedule, and helpful money-saving tips to ensure everything stays within the specified budget. The process is now complete, and my temporary session remains private. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.